There are several important factors that set an MJM apart. The innovative layout with flush deck design allows each MJM to have greater, more comfortable, usable space. The low center of gravity and advanced hull geometry deliver world-renowned stability, capability, and smoothness of ride. But the most important feature is the precision of the high-tech construction. In our new facility in Washington, North Carolina, each MJM benefits from an advanced vacuum-infused, proprietary epoxy, post-cured composite process. The result being lighter, faster, more capable performance day and cruising yachts that deliver incredible efficiency. The precision process starts with the cutting and weighing of the dry materials. MJM utilizes waterproof core cell structural foam technology, along with tri- and quad axial e-glass cloth. These materials are CNC cut, ensuring precise part shapes and weight requirements. All the dry materials are meticulously placed into the hull, deck, and part molds, and then tweaked for perfect alignment. Different color materials represent varying characteristics according to the specific engineering needs. Although this process is far more time-consuming, adding costs, the results are unmatched. The next step is to cover and seal the dry materials and set up to pull a vacuum. When initiated, this process pulls a vacuum which will compress the laminate materials with 2,000 pounds per square foot of force. Once the vacuum is set, the proprietary and computer-mixed epoxy resin is introduced in a precise quantity with a known weight. Under vacuum and with the 2,000-pound force, this unitizes all the materials and ensures a zero air void result. All materials are fully infused with the resin, providing a superior mechanical and adhesive bond. The MJM infusion process leads to 25% better mechanical properties of a laminate versus other wet layup processes. Being obsessed with weight and strength, the next step in the process is to weigh each part. Although the weight of the dry materials and the resin are known, the weighing each part is an important step in our quality control process. In addition to the hull, deck, and small parts, the grid of an MJM, an integral strength element, is also infused and weighed using the same process. The final step in the lamination process, prior to the start of assembly, is the post-curing, or as we call it, baking the part. For this important step, our facility has purpose-built ovens, each computer-controlled with multiple precision heating units. Each part is removed from its tool or mold and connected to 35 thermocouples linked into the computer system. This part is then heated to a specific temperature over a period of time and then control-cooled. This heating excites the epoxy molecules, and then the cooling realigns them, creating the ultra-high-strength, lightweight parts required of an MJM. Epoxy-built MJMs are stronger, lighter, and longer-lasting. With hull and deck structures comprising up to 25% of a boat's total weight, you can understand why MJMs, in most cases, are many thousands of pounds lighter than similar-sized boats. The MJM process results in 15% lighter hulls than prior and 30% lighter decks than prior, with owner benefits that are huge. Better response at the wheel and more fun to drive, more speed per horsepower applied and a chance to take advantage of weather windows, and a lower center of gravity for a more comfortable, more stable ride. To explore the MJM models in detail, please visit us at mjmyachts.com.